something freaking gross. Alright guys, we are at EBIKE King, New Jersey, and some of the guys are already hard at work doing some wrapping. Let's go check it out. Who are you guys? Super Talaria and
Carlous, you're wrapping the bike.
Carlos is the one wrapping bikes today. He's going to give us a little tutorial later on as we're going through.
If we have time, we're going to show how to do the Surron, the Talaria MX4, and the Triple X.
Very nice.
If we have enough time, how we do.
All right. Awesome. All right, we'll get into this.
I cut it around here and I push in.
We can try it, yeah.
Or I can cut it just on the limit. It's up to you.
I think we try to push it a little bit.
Perfect.
All right, Carlos, you want to explain a little bit what you're going to be doing with this bike?
Basically, you can get this kit on Amazon. It includes all these things. You need at least one of these, a couple of these. This is for cutting the wrap, or you can use just scissors.
Okay.
And the wrap, also you can get on Amazon really cheap. This is a 1.5 feet by 5 feet, and this is enough for one side of the Surron. So you will need two of these.
Two of them? Okay.
The first measure will be like this. You leave like a couple inches extra, a couple inches and a couple inches, and this is like what you need for the swing arm. Before you cut, make sure you have enough for the frame, which we do in this case. Also, you need to get a couple inches extra on each side, and you got this.
Okay. You do your thing. Yo, Mikey.
What up, dude?
What's going on?
What's going on?
Measure 3 times, cut 1 time.
Yep, so you have to buy more wrap. And you can use these, or you can use the scissors if you don't want to get any more tools.
Alright, so this is the before shot. We're gonna see what it looks like after it's done.
Let's start with the swing arm. I think it's more easy. In this case, we only had to remove the wire. This plastic is not going to be on the way, you can just move it with your finger. And main thing will be cleaning all the bike, removing all the stickers you might have, and all of that is going to stick out. So you want it the best cleaning as possible and with no stickers. We're going to start by putting just a little bit, making sure we have enough space. We just put it in. It's not so sticky, you have to heat it up first.
Gotcha.
But here's like a weird shape, so what you want to do is coming from up to down, so you can do this shape and then go back. So it has these weird shapes. We're going to work on this later.
Okay.
So for now, make sure you have it straight. You can just start from here. Don't worry about the wrap, you can literally go like this, and when you open it back,
It's not to be wrinkled.
you use the heat gun, nothing happens.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Here.
Yeah.
And you go basically playing with that. Like here you have this wiggle.
You can get the bubbles out.
Yeah, you do it like this. Need to heat it up. When you heat it up, it gets more easy to get shape.
Yeah.
You keep playing with that. Like here, same thing. You heat it up. Make it get the shape. And just keep going. Now we have here, and we go little by little. Taking off the paper so it's not on your way. And here,
Not tight. You know what I mean? Like the pattern. Hopefully it all shows up on the bike.
we do like a relief cut. So we can now go inside the frame. Starting taking the hole like this. Now starting from here, when you get to these corners right here, you can just start cutting around the limit, around the edge. Same here, when you go down here, you can start cutting around the edge. It's going to start taking shape. Nice.
Alright, so what happened?
I think I hit it too much. You don't want it to go like so sticky.
So you have to be careful for overheating it too.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the one side swing arm done. So now we got more challenging part.
Yeah.
What's going on next?
Especially these corners right here and these like square here.
Like the little divots.
Yeah, those are going to be a little difficult. What I do is that I just cut this square. I just put it over, heat it up so it gets the shape, and I just cut around it.
Okay, so you do it separately? Like you cut?
Yeah, you can cut it and put a little square at the background.
Gotcha.
Or you can try to squish it in, but sometimes it stick out again. It's like too much pressure on the wrap. So it might be more easy if you want to cut it. If you want to go the easiest way, you can cut it like this. Here you can cut this square too, and around the limit here.
Like in pieces.
Yeah.
Little pieces.
If you want to go full for it, then you have to get this shape on the wrap. You have to get this shape, and here you can go deeper too. So you cover like here, for example, we have to make it black and white. So maybe we want to cover the much blue as we can.
Gotcha.
So maybe you want to go in a little bit. See,
All right.
the way you do it is you make sure you have enough for the frame. In this case, we have more than enough. So put over there. Over here. Let's start peeling from the top. You want to get the flat as possible.
Oh, I see.
And since here we start. You can do it all off if you want, or you can just go little by little. Yeah, the challenge continues.
All right.
Try to get a little bit of shape with the finger first. This wiggles goes with the heat gun. Heat it up a little bit and you get the shape. You do it with this, of course. You go slowly but surely. Start making like these relief cuts. Starting to get more simple. You're starting to go around the frame. The easiest way I have found is going from here to the bottom. Because if you start from here, you get the most difficult part first. Something very important will be in this hole. You want to heat it up a little bit. Push it in carefully. You start getting shape by itself. And here, very important, it will be the relief cut. You go like this, and you work only in this area. So now you heat it up, squish it inside. We repeat the process, since maybe this little area. Relief cut. Heat it up, and add it in. Then we cut from the inside of the limit, and we continue the process in the whole hole. Here. You don't want to go all the way into the frame also, you want to leave like ½ inch. You can see from here, I didn't went all the way to the frame.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Leave like ½ inch. When you get it from here. So you need to Suck a little bit more. That will be perfect. Another relief cut here, and you will start to close the area. Like how's it going so far?
Now same thing on the other side.
Now just repeat the process. The swing arm is so skinny that the piece you need, you can basically fold it in half because it's so skinny, and you basically have 2 tries. So if it's your first time, maybe you want to do this, practice with the swing arm first, because this is the most difficult part. Maybe try the swing arm first.
Carlos is still hard at work.
Yes, sir.
Been at this all morning.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's looking nice.
See, next up it was the Talaria XXX.
Basically, it's the same thing. You work little by little in sections, following the shape of the frame. Should be the same for almost any of these bikes.
Gotta head out, so
Sir,
nice to see you.
nice to see you. Thank you for recording this. I hope people love it, can do it by yourself.
Nice, very nice. Alright, later boys. See you next time.
See you soon.
Alright, we're out. We'll see you on the next one.